everyone on my YouTube channel, Vlad Gamer Plays Games. I'm Vlad, and today I'm riding my dirt bike, and it is pretty cool, pretty fast. So let's get to like it's pretty powerful, just 2 horsepower, and it's still very powerful, very fast, and I tuned it. So if you buy this bike, it'll not have mirrors, it will not have this light, it will not have like this tube. You have to buy everything to like mine. So like let's start again. And I'm gonna move in the whole field, like how I'm always going. So suspension, and it has very cool parts. Let's go last lap, and then we're gonna end the video. Okay, let's start it up. If you like this video, please subscribe, because I literally have 13 subscribers or 12, I don't remember. So please subscribe. Bye.